Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about RRB JEE best books that you have to include in your preparation. This video consists of different sections which you need to follow up because there will be publications and authors mentioned so that you can be clear enough and include them for your preparation. The first up we have mathematics section. In mathematics section, number 1 is Arihant Publications, Fast Track Objective Arithmetic. Now, if you want to master all the concepts under the arithmetic section, you can use the books by Arihant Publications. Arihant Publications stands as one of the most effective and a guiding tool for all the learners, especially who are preparing for their competitive examination. Now, the book Fast Track Objective Arithmetic will give you all the concepts, n number of questions and varied type of questions so that the learner will eventually know as to the format of the questions and also the techniques which they have to implement in their preparation. Number 2, we have Kiran Publications and their test papers. Using test papers will stand as a guide in the preparationary level because they will enhance the level of learning and also it will help the learner to progress their level of learning. It will help you to know the grade level wise questions and also it will let you know as to how far have you been developed. So using Kiran Publications test papers will let you be exposed to n number of questions and also the formats of the questions. Number 3 is R.S. Agarwal Quantitative Aptitude. This book consists of different sections and it is also conceptual. The book is an easy guide for the learner and also it is very comprehensive. The book written by R.S. Agarwal is very effective and a learning guide for all the learners out there. So, for the mathematics section, you can use all of these 3 publications or the author's books which are mentioned here and they will be serving as a learning tool for the competitive examinations. The next off we have General Science section. In General Science, we have Disha Publications standing as one of the top priority because they are the most innovative and the largest platform for books, especially for competitive examinations. You can use the books from Disha Publications as there are n number of books and also the books have varied questions, formats, techniques and also the necessary skills that a learner should enhance in their preparation. Also, the next up we have Arihant Publications which is equally standing as one of the topmost priority in India. They are the most leading books for the competitive examinations in India. They are very cost-effective books. Also, you can check out their website which has n number of magazines, books and also the books you can use them through online. You can also have different types of subjects from Arihant Publications. They are covering a whole lot of subjects and topics. You can use those concepts for your preparation. Now, using Arihant Publications and Disha Publications for General Science will eventually let you know the concepts from a basic and a foundational level in the first place. So, you will not miss any foundational modules or concepts from the basic level to a higher graded level. Number 3, we have Lucent Publications. Even the Lucent Publications are no less than both of these publications as mentioned on the screen. Lucent Publications are also the most innovative and also set on the effective publications in India. They are one of the most renowned and also they bring out books which are very easy and easy to follow for the learners. They are not only easy to understand but easy to follow as well. As already mentioned, they are easy to understand in the first place so that the learner will not get confused in learning the concepts. Next off we have General Awareness section. For the General Awareness section, you can use Pratyogita Darpan Upkar Publications. Now using this Pratyogita Darpan in your preparation will enhance to know all the general awareness and current affairs which are going out nationally and internationally. Now, this is a magazine. Also, they have a website where you can also borrow ebooks. By doing yourself a favor, you can also give on your subscription so that you will not miss any of the latest books or the articles which are published by Pratyogita Darpan in the near future. Next on we have Arihant Publications. Arihant Publications stand as one of the most effective learning, and also they are standing as a guide for all the learners out there. The books which are published are seriously a learning tool for all the learners. So you can use the books from Arihant Publications as they are usually covering up the whole lot of concepts under general awareness, so you would not miss any of the bits or the topics, and you can easily understand the concepts as they are very comprehensive in nature. Next up we have Lucent's General Knowledge by Lucent Publications. At Lucent's, you have the books very comprehensive. It means that you can easily understand, and it serves as a guide for all the learners. All the concepts are graded level wise so that you will not miss any of the concepts eventually. You will know from the basics, foundation modules to a higher graded level eventually. Next up we have General Reasoning section. Now if you want to master the section of General Reasoning, you can use up these books which are mentioned. General Intelligence and Test of Reasoning by Vikas Publication House. Vikas Publication House brings out the best books for general reasoning out there. You can use them as they are divided into sections and topics, as the concepts are very conceptual and also comprehensive. You can use them as every question which is tailored in the book is very easy to understand and serves as a guide and a learning tool for the learners. Number 2 is A Modern Approach to Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. The author R.S. Agarwal brings out his book Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning book, where the sections are easily divided and easy to understand. The book is divided into sections of verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning as well. So in one section you will find all the questions, topics, concepts which are related to reasoning under verbal, and in the next section you will have non-verbal reasoning. So all the concepts which are related to non-verbal section is placed under one side. So the learner will not be confused as to how to use this book and also understand the book eventually. The next section is Physics and Chemistry. To master these subjects of physics and chemistry, I know all the concepts which are related to physics and chemistry are a bit tricky and also a bit harder to understand. Now it will be easy for you if you take up the books up to 10th standard CBSE syllabus, which will give you all the basics. Now books which are related to CBSE curriculum will give you the exposure, and especially it will give you the basic foundations in the first place. It will give you all the basic concepts, the relevant explanations, and also you would not miss any of the concepts which are placed in the book. The books from the CBSE curriculum are level graded wise. So one after the other you can use them in your preparationary level so that you would not miss any of the concepts and also the techniques which are mentioned in this book. CBSE curriculum will give you the exposure of understanding the topic or about the concept in depth. Next off we have for computer and applications basics for environmental and pollution control. The best books or for the best publications that you can use covering up for this topic is Disha and Arihant Publications. There are no better books from Disha and Arihant Publication. Both are most effective and serves as a learning and a guiding tool for all the learners out there. All the topics and the concepts which are covered in this book are very comprehensive, and it is section wise so that the learner can easily understand the book in the first place and will be a guiding tool for all the learners. So the learner cannot be confused in the concepts and can easily relate in their preparation level. Next off we have the technical subjects. For all the technical subjects you can refer the following books. For the section of RRB JEE Civil Engineering, you can use RRB's Railway Recruitment Board Civil Engineering Practice Workbook by Kiran Publications. Kiran Publications are bringing out this practice book so that you can enhance your preparation level. Now you can use this practice book because there are n number of questions, topics, and also the format of the questions. The learner will eventually know how to use the topics or the questions which are mentioned. Giving an exposure to the format of the questions will eventually let the learner know as to how the pattern of the questions are going to be. Next up we have Guide to RRB Junior Civil by Disha Experts. Now this book will give you a learning tool. It's a guide for you all, so that it will give you the format of the questions, the concepts and the explanation. You will have all the techniques and also the kind of solutions that you have to arrive at. It is also time saving for you, as it is a guide. It will give you direct answers and explanations in the first place. Next off, we have the subject for JEE Electrical Engineering. For this, RRB Junior Engineering and Senior Section Engineering by Shyam Sundar. So the author Shyam Sundar have been bringing out this book, RRB Junior Engineering and Senior Section Engineering. So using the book by this author will serve you as a learning tool, as the book consists of different sections and the topics which are covered in this book are very comprehensive. So it will be an easy tool for the learner. There will be no such confusion as such, because all the topics which are relevant and which are related to the topic are mentioned very clearly and comprehensively. Next off, we have Guide to RRB Junior Engineer Electrical by Disha Experts. Books from Disha Experts bring out the best and the innovative books as possible, because all the authors which are related to Disha Experts have the best knowledge, and also they bring out very conceptual books. So they will not let the learner be confused in using the book in the first place. Now these books are very conceptual, and also you will learn them as a guide, as every concept in the book is starting from a basic level, so that you will know from the foundational course to a higher graded level as well. The next off, we have Electronics Engineering. For the subject Electronics Engineering, you can refer to both of these books as mentioned here. Both of these books are by Arihant Experts. So please note, Arihant Experts are bringing out the best of the best books for electronics engineering, because the concepts and also the topics which are mentioned in this book are very level graded wise. So you can know as to what concept to learn after what. You will have an idea of preparation in the first place. They are time saving, and also you can know the concepts in depth. You can understand the every topic which is present there by level grading your preparation. You will know the concepts by step by step, as in Indian Railways Junior Engineering Electronics Recruitment Exam, which is the old edition. You will also know n number of questions and also the different type of topics which are relevant to the particular subject. Next off, we have Computer Science. For Computer Science, you can use books by J.K. Mithal and by Shubhri Mitra. So both of these authors are equally important, and also both of these authors are said to be the most prominent in India, as they have brought out the best books which are Objective Computer Science and Information Technology, which in the sense you will have an exposure to format of the questions and number of questions to be taken place, and also at a preparationary level you will know the types of questions that you are going to get. Next up, we have Handbook of Computer Science and IT. So you can use this book as a guide and a learning tool as well, as it is very comprehensive. The concepts in this book are very conceptual as well. So all the questions which are tailored in this, they are very easy to guide and also to understand. I hope this video is helpful for you all. All the authors, the applications and also the books which are mentioned in this video are only for your reference purposes only. Please use these books for your revision purposes, and as we don't have any sort of partnership or affiliations with the members mentioned in the video. So if you have any other more books which you are using or any of the new books which you are using, you can place them in the comment section below, so that even other users also might find it helpful, and also they can enhance their preparation as well. If you have any doubts or if you need any recommendations regarding this, you can place them in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.